2008 Dodge Ram Crew Cab, 97,000 miles, one owner, in spectacular condition. Running boards. This is the Texas edition, Lone Star edition. New tires, 20-inch wheels. They call it a vanilla cream ice. Super cool color. Has a Lear camper shell, bed liner. The Lone Star edition. Tow package. Straight truck. You hear it running. Dual exhaust. Super clean truck. No hail. I don't think you'll find a door ding on this truck. Leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors. This is a two-wheel drive. Original floor mats, leather seats, aftermarket radio with hands-free, 97,000 miles. The power rear window still works. Everything works on the truck. Like I said, for an 08, super clean truck. Brand new tires, brand new brakes. '2008 Dodge Ram Crew Cab, 97,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely amazing condition.